to prove that I'm right or wrong. This is not, it's not my issues anymore. I say what I have to say, and for me it's done. But to be honest with you, what I wish for Manchester, it's what I wish for me. The best they can make, again, the best team they can. And I love that club. You know, I'm not that kind of guy that forgot the past. When I'm back there, I was very happy. I was one of the best scorers. I did unbelievable things with the club. My first season with 37, I was the third best scorer of the league. I scored all the group stage. I scored every game. Even in the league, I scored 17 goals or 18 goals. I did amazing. But as I told you, Manchester, they need to rebuild everything, in my opinion. The coach, they say they cannot compete to win the league and Champions League. You cannot say, if you are a Manchester United coach, you cannot say that you're not gonna fight to win the league or Champions League. You have to be mentally say, listen, maybe we don't have that potential, but I cannot say that. This club needs time to rebuild because it's still one of the best clubs in the world, but they need to change. And they understand that it's the only way. And this is why you show that they start to change again the structure of the club, the president, the infrastructures and everything, the owners of the club. Because I'm not happy the way the old happened, but in the same way, we cannot control some points of our life sometimes, but it's done, already done. And I repeat, I still love Manchester United and I wish them the best.